In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add pop-up effect to text and how to save it as a preset in Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting the type tool, add text, and make any needed adjustments to it. Also make sure you move it to the center of the sequence by aligning it horizontally and vertically. Then switch back to the selection tool, open the effects window and search for transform. Then add transform to the text layer. Then in effect controls, move the playhead to the start of the text layer, and under transform that we've added, create a keyframe for scale by clicking on the stopwatch icon. Then set the value to be 70. Now move 3 frames forward. You can do that using the arrow keys 1, 2, 3. Set the value to 130. Now move another 3 frames forward, 1, 2, 3, and set scale to 100. Now uncheck use composition shutter angle and increase it manually to add motion blur to the animation. And this gives us the pop-up effect. After that, we can easily save it as a preset by right-clicking on a transform, select save preset, then give it a name, and make sure you select anchor to endpoint, then click OK. And next time you have a text there that doesn't have any animation on it, like this one, you just search for the preset you've saved, then simply drag and drop it onto the text there and instantly get the same pop-up effect.